What's up guys, and we're doing a small unboxing video of my unboxing my gift. And I'm excited, kaso lang dalawa to guys. There's more, but that will be for the next video kasi wala pa yun guys. Pero nandito na guys. So ito, I want to open this first kasi ito yung maliit. By the way, guys, I got these from Shopee. Oh, ito yung cardigan ko, guys. Oh my gosh! It's dark blue. Hala, paano to, guys? Guys, asan to pwede i-open? Ayan, hindi na kailangan ng scissors, guys. I'm strong. Diba? Ah! Ang soft ng tela, guys.
Can you try it?
Oh my gosh.
You like
I'm
it? Is the size
obsessed.
okay?
Yes, it's also very thin. So, hindi ako mainitan dito if I wear it to school. Also, very perfect pag nalalamigan ako, guys. Kasi hindi ako madaling mapawisan dito sa tingin ko.
Can I borrow?
Maybe. Pag, if you want to look beautiful, maybe. So,
Kasya lang?
wow, I'm obsessed. Hold on. Wait.
Wow!
So, pa to, guys. Wow! So ganda. It's so, ang ganda talaga.
Mag-shoutout ka sa nagbigay, sa sponsor.
Yeah, shout out to Lyle because he helped me to get these. Ang ganda talaga, guys.
Wow!
Tingnan ko nga sa mirror. Oh my gosh! Mukha na akong senior ng mga juniors ko, guys. Diba? So, ang ganda talaga, guys. Pero wag mo, definitely gonna wear this next week. So, ganda, guys. I'm so obsessed with it. Okay, now ito. I think I know what this is already. Oh! Asan ba ito yung buksan? I'm grateful for the packaging kasi hindi na kailangan ng scissors, guys. Oh, ang ganda! Oh my gosh, see guys, oh. See tingnan kaya natin yung dito. Nasaan na ba yung zipper? So, ito guys. Headphones to, guys. So, ito talaga yung wish ko. After nakuha ko yung may wireless. Ito may wires na to, so to be honest, nakakainis sometimes yung wireless kasi kailangan i-charge, guys. Pero ito, natatanggal. It gets messy. Pero okay lang, hindi na kailangan i-charge. Ayan.
So, okay na?
Yes. Thanks for watching the video, and thank you so much for all your support that I could buy my gifts. That's all for today, and see you!